Today's program's all about controlling the breath, learning the different backgrounds and actually procedures. What's important about the ice bath is it provides a stressor. As I see it, it actually changes the bandwidth. So what stresses you might have stressed you up here, now your bandwidth ends up a lot lower. Life's so busy as it is with social media, work, relationships, so to be able to control your breath using the correct tools to stabilise that in life is a big winner.
I want to keep exploring what it's like to understand my physiology and how my body works in response to stress and performance. And this was just one of the other tools to learn to help me down the road in any other situation I want to use in life or work or training performance to help me improve. Yeah, definitely recommend doing something like this for anyone who wants to improve their performance in work, in life, become a better parent, a better friend, a better colleague. Generally helps you just feel more in control of how you go about your life.